This is essentially the same skiff that I made about 20 years ago and got quite a bit of use out of. It's a simple 2 sheets of plywood job with a center mold that you cut out the sides and bend it around the mold and attach the stern, then lay the second sheet on the upturned dinghy and roughly trace out the bottom and then cut it out. Cut it out a little bit wide so you can plane it down along the edge. And the framing is all, it's all, I use pretty good lumber, uh, nice clear stuff I used, and made the frames and the transom and the seats. The seats are removable for maintenance, and I also have a mast left over from the first dinghy, which I never used, and I found that it perfectly fits the mast hole step that I put on this one. So at some point I might have a sailing dinghy. The costs are much more than I would have thought. I've got about $341 in, as opposed at this point, which is October 13th, 2020. But you know, this is the kind of thing that you get a lot of enjoyment out of doing and satisfaction. And I'm gone further than this now. I've got it fiberglassed. It's a lot of work, but it's still fun. So here it is, my little 7.5 foot dinghy.